Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is inverse of control and dependency injections. First we are discuss about Spring IOC inversion of control. Spring IOC inversion of control container is the core of Spring framework. It creates an object, configure and assembles their dependency manage their entire life cycle. The container use dependency injections to manage the component that makes up the applications. It gets information about the object from configuration files, XML or Java code or Java annotations and Java Pojo classes. These classes are called beans. Since the controller of Java objects and their life cycle is not done by the developer, hence the name inversion of control. Inversion of control is a principal software engineering which transfers the control of object portions of program to a container or framework. Now, we most often use it in the context of object-oriented programming. In contrast with traditional programming, which occurs custom code, makes call the a library. IOC enables framework to make control of the flow of a program and makes the call to our custom code. The enable this framework use abstraction with additional behavior built in. If we want to add our own behavior, we need to extend the classes and the framework or plugins our own classes. Then next part is the following are some the main features of Spring IOC. First feature is creating object for us. Second is maintaining our objects. Third is helping our application to be configurable. Fourth is managing dependency. We can inversion of controller through various mechanisms such as strategy design pattern, service locator pattern, factory pattern and dependency injections means DI. Then next is the Spring IOC container. The Spring IOC containers common characteristic framework in implement IOC. Next part is a dependency injections. Dependency injection is a pattern we can use implement IOC where the control beginning inverse the setting of an object dependency containing object with the other object or injecting object into other objects is done by the assembler rather than by the object themselves. Dependency injection is the mainly functionally provided by the Spring IOC inversion control. The Spring core module is the responsible for the injecting dependency through either constructor or setter method. It's all about the dependency injections and IOC, Spring IOC. Thank you.